Hey guys, it's me Aenish and welcome to this channel. And in this video I'm just gonna share my top 3 best favorite stationery items. So ever since I have been consuming a lot of productivity ideas, articles from different sources from internet and YouTube videos, I have been just so fascinated with those stationery items, those fancy stuffs like that, to just create a content and to just write an idea or just start whatever you want to do. These are the list of my favorite stationery items that I have covered in this topic. So this is Pilot Z207 pen. I like this pen because it has been with me for ever since last 2 to 3 years, and the speciality of this pen is that it gives more grip than any other pen I have used. But I didn't recommend this pen using in exams because you cannot simply just write it fast enough, because this is a gel pen and it doesn't write as fast as a ball pen. For the other stuff like content creation or to take down notes or to create any idea or content that's on your head, then you can use this as your main sacred weapon to just initiate your ideas. And the next one is this Casio Calculator. I've been using this Casio EX version. I don't know if this can focus or not, but anyways, this is a calculator that I have been using for the past 4 years. Yeah, and this calculator is much more handy if you are solving mathematical equations like antiderivatives, derivative stuffs, and the polynomial equations. This calculator has a lot of functionality, and yes, you can simply do anything with this calculator except for playing video games into this calculator. But you can play video game in some calculators, I guess. But I don't know that model, but I haven't used that and haven't seen that model in physical, so I cannot say. But I have been using this as my handy calculator for solving this mathematical stuffs. So I have been using this from 4 years ago, and I have been still using this for calculator. So this one is a handy one. And lastly is this notebook. Having a notebook is necessary because it helps you to get organized and it helps you to stay active while you are trying to simply create an idea. Pen and paper method is the best way to initiate your ideas into a reality. Dang, that was a good one. I guess pen and paper method is the most handy tool that you should not underestimate. Basically, I have this much to say in this video, and if you enjoy this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because that helps me to make some more contents, and do subscribe for more content. And I'll catch you guys pretty soon. Peace.